Hello. My name is Tyler Sorensen. I'm here in Stockholm, Sweden. I'm here outside of North America for the first time in my life, and also for the first time in my life, I have a selfie stick. I don't know if you can tell that this is a selfie stick. And just got out of my hotel, went to a antique shop, bought 3 Swedish records. You see this? That's Style right there. Style, and their album Visioner. See, in the United States, we don't know who Style are, but here it's like it's all they talk about. Hello. My name is Tyler Sorensen once again. I am inside of a museum. I don't know if you can see this. Do you see this? There's a giant 15th century warship. That's just pretty lucky that this museum was here. Right at the exact same spot as this warship. Hey, this is Tyler Sorensen again. Just checking in to let you know that I ordered my first Swedish meal today. And it is Swedish meatballs. Not quite the same as IKEA. Hello, it's me, Tyler Sorensen, once again. I'm up here on a rooftop. I ordered an Osaka iced tea. It's ice, of course, and tea, but there's also Osaka in it. Hey, how's it going? Tyler Sorensen here once again, walking down one of the narrow cobblestone streets. Hello there. My name is Tyler Sorensen. I'm here in an outdoor restaurant in historic Stockholm, and I don't know if you can see this. I'm wearing a different shirt. I got a Swedish shirt. It has this cool collar and these ruffled sleeves. Every guy in Stockholm has one of these shirts, and now I'm about to try a Baltic herring. Very good. You can definitely taste the Baltic in it.
Där utbildades många av våra mest folkkära skådespelare som Max von Sydow, Greta Garbo och Ingrid Bergman. Gustav III var en hårt arbetande kung som inte bara efterlämnade ett gediget kulturarv utan även avskaffade tortyr, förbättrade hälsovården och försökte avskaffa dödsstraffet.
This is Mission Control Shall I say something? Oh my, I'm so nervous. Station, this is Isa. How do you hear me? Do you hear me, Isa?
Hello, Isa. I read you loud and clear. You should not be nervous. I am several thousand kilometers away. There's nothing I can do.
This is so exciting. We can hear you.
Hey, Tyler Sorensen here. I am in a what is the oldest open-air museum in the world. They're chickens. Look at that. This is what it looked like to live in Sweden before selfie sticks. You know, you just have just chickens. Hello, Tyler Sorensen here once again. I just had veal liver for the first time. Actually pretty good. I'm also wearing my second Swedish acquired shirt. You can tell the collar is a bit different, like they only made half of the collar. And I'm here on my last day in Sweden, and I'm at a Sky restaurant. Hello, 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 1, 2, 3. Hey, my name is Tyler Sorensen once again. This is my last dispatch from Stockholm. I'm in an ice bar, and when you are an influencer like I am, sometimes you run into your influencees. Alice here. Alice, what do you want to say to the world right now?
Ice, ice, baby.
What's up? I'm colder than I've ever been, and I've lived in New York, a shitbag of a city, for almost a decade, fortunately and unfortunately.
Thank you. Thank you. Moving on. James, Eric, what is your message to the world?
Shout out to Stockholm. Much love from Memphis all the way through Brooklyn.
Mm-hmm. I'm actively inside of a very cold place by choice. It's great.
Thank you. Thank you. Saeed, do you want to participate? Are you going to
say a few words?
Yeah, please.
I would like it to go on record that I was the originator of the ice bar idea. Were it not for me, we would not be having this experience.
I'm very cold now.
Life-changing experience.
Yeah, I'm a new person.
Well, thank you. That concludes my trip. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time in Norway. Bye-bye.